Welcome to Brain Vision.
All right, here's a gauge question. Now, first thing you want to do is convert our degrees Celsius to Kelvin. So I'm just going to add 273 Kelvin to each one here. Okay. Now let's think about what pressure gauge actually means. So PG1 is equal to pressure 1, our pressure inside the tire, minus our atmospheric pressure outside the tire. That's in the definition of a gauge pressure, right? So therefore we can express our pressure P1 inside the tire as just our gauge pressure 1 plus P naught. And of course P naught is equal to 1, so this is just going to be equal to 2.50 plus 1.00, which is of course 3.50 atmospheres. Now we can look at a variation of the ideal gas law, which is P1 over T1 is equal to P2 over T2. And you get this because N and V are constant. So if you just set the constants equal to each other on each side for 1 and 2, they'll work out. But I'm sure you've seen this kind of relationship before many times. But anyway, we can rewrite this for P2, which is just P1 T2 over T1. We can put our numbers in. P1 we found is 3.50 atmospheres. T2, remember, is 45 plus 273 degrees Kelvin. Not degrees Kelvin, just Kelvin. And then our initial temperature is 15 plus 273 Kelvin. You should find that our new pressure, or our tire pressure after, is equal to about 3.86 atmospheres. But we remember that we want the gauge pressure during this stage. So we know our gauge pressure is equal to P2 minus P naught. So we can put those numbers in. P2, 3.86 minus P naught, which is just 1.0 atmospheres. And you should find that our gauge pressure is going to be equal to 2.86 atmospheres.